Good afternoon, y'all. Is it afternoon? I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's afternoon.
But happy Friday.
Getting my steps out. Getting my steps.
That one is getting her steps. Why is it so dark? Can you see me?
You're not
Can you
in
see
the
me?
step challenge?
So today is parking day in Downtown Stockton. So we're checking out some of these. We're just checking out what they're doing and grabbing some lunch while we're at it. It's the end of September and it still feels like summer. It's not cute. Hi, Handra.
Hi.
What you get?
A market sale.
Market salad? I think that's what Handra's gonna get. What you get, Miguel?
Veggie burger with cheese.
With cheese.
And sriracha Tabasco.
Wow, it's a sriracha Tabasco. Hi, you finally made it. Hello. Hi.
I feel like you need to more color, more sriracha color. A little red.
My food's here. Bacon, egg, cheese sandwich.
How are you doing?
Gonna got some sliders.
Oh my god.
Watch out. Handra's throwing hot sauce at us.
Are you mad? She hangry.
She hangry. Wow.
Oh yeah, it's on Miracle
Ew.
Kia, you fit in there, go. At your own risk. Can you take your picture?
Go ahead, Handra.
Go, Handra.
Go ahead, Handra.
Platform, and if you touch this, it's okay. Don't worry about it.
Oh, wow. Get in there, Handra.
Sexy. There you go. Give me this. Don't do it yet. I want to stop.
Like I want some eggplant.
You don't want no eggplant? Shoot.
Carrot?
You want, or do you want a carrot?
No, that's just skinny.
Oh, yeah. Is this oranges?
I want a peach.
Oh, go.
I know we're on a farm.
I know, huh?
I'm thinking that's not a glove, but bathing suit with the cover on.
I think that's just underwear.
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long.
Pen and a pad. I got a pen and a pad.
And a pad for your pumpy?
Apple pen.
Thank you, and a pen. Thank you.
You want stinkers too? No, I don't
Oh, I want the Stockton Arts one.
Which one?
I'll take a pen.
You need a pen? Yeah, make sure. Andre, would you like a pen? Yes. And an apple?
Thank you.
I don't have an apple.
You have what?
Achimo.
Achimo. No,
Achimo.
you get achimo.
Achimo.
Wow.
I like how your camera set up. You have like a small, like, is it on the camera?
What?
It's that
Yeah.
you know, the,
Oh yeah, the flash comes off and on. Yeah. I mean, you can pop it up.
Very nice camera.
What do you think?
Oh my god, I love
There you go.
it. Yay! I really like it. This is really me.
Wow.
This is really,
Beautiful.
Can I get a shot of you?
Yes, absolutely.
Hope you guys don't mind being in my vlog because you're in it.
Oops. Wait, sweetie. Honey.
Such a loser, sweetie.
Like all the features. It's really good. Oh, it's like, I don't even see myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, here.
That's the cool part about it. Picking out the features that you think reflects who you are.
Exactly. I'm really exaggerated.
Yeah, that's the word. Exaggerate. In a positive way.
In a positive way.
I'm gonna laugh if Handra beats both of you. Look at these big kids.
You don't need me. You got
Competition.
this.
I'm rooting for Handra.
Over here too.
Okay.
You're playing Connect 4.
Loser! She hella missed her. Oh my gosh. Handra, come on. Don't give her a second chance. Handra! I'm unfriending you.
How many is it?
Such an intense game.
See?
The game is called Connect 4.
She just blocked you and you didn't even know.
I can do it.
Block her again.
In your coffee.
Handra, don't make me yell at you.
Don't be quiet. Quit giving her hints.
No!
You're cheating.
Don't be a sore loser.
Oh my gosh. guys are ridiculous.
Got the rowdy crowd over here. I like your shirt.
Thank you.
Go. I feel like you should get extra points today for wearing it.
Yeah, we're trying to bring the crowd in.
I appreciate it. Do it.
Yeah.
I want some Connect 4.
And I'm sober. If I was drinking, I'd probably be barking right now.
Connect 4, it's
Come on, guys, don't think that hard. You're gonna start sweating.
yeah, 4 colors in a row.
Okay, Handra, you better get this one. I won't cheat for you this time. There's no blocking involved.
I'm telling my friends.
What?
Take her away, Johnny. Cookie's calling you, Kia.
It is really cool.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot. It's heated.
Sweetie, you weren't even recording.
I am recording. There's a time
yeah.
going. Come on! You guys can't miss it twice.
Quiet.
You guys suck. Oh, she won either way. Handra, you missed this one. Right here.
Kia's cheating.
Oh my god. They both suck. There's no such thing as cheating.
And then Kia's all, no!
I'll be over.
No! Cheater! Cheater!
Winning
Sore loser!
I am a sore loser.